Hi guys, I am Muskan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. People who wonder if the glass is half empty or full miss the point that the glass is refillable. If you want to achieve greatness, you need to stop asking for permission. This is why motivation is important in life, because it stops asking questions and aligns you to work towards your goal. Goals are the stepping stones toward your dreams. So, in order to achieve them, you need motivation to keep you chugging along towards them. Not everyone is born with motivation. There is a severe lack in some who believe I'll get to that one day, or the timing isn't right, or a classic case of I can't do that. Motivation is the defining factor that turns a good thought into immediate action. It turns a good idea into a business and can positively impact the world around you. Without motivation, you can't achieve anything. There are no goalposts to aim for and no purpose to strive towards. Motivation is an important life skill. The reason it's important is because every person on this earth is unique and has a purpose. To steward your purpose well, you have to be motivated to work towards your goal, which helps your dream become a reality, not just for your sake, but the sake of others as well. If Steve Jobs wasn't motivated to start Apple, you wouldn't have a MacBook Air, iPhone, or iPad. You wouldn't be holding that designer handbag or be wearing those clothes if a designer wasn't motivated to turn their visualization into a reality. You live in a world where motivation has solved problems and produced products and services you never knew you needed. Motivation can also help you personally to be the best you can be. This can have a positive effect on your confidence, relationship, and the community you live in. If you are still not convinced about building up your motivation, here are a few reasons why motivation is important in life. The very first reason is motivation clarifies a goal. Secondly, motivation sets priorities in life. Nextly, motivation pushes through setbacks. Next, motivation teaches perseverance. Motivation fights against fear. Motivation builds self-confidence. Motivation attracts your tribe. And most importantly, motivation inspires others. Every successful person in this world is a hustler one way or another. We all hustle to get where we need to be. Only a fool would sit around and wait on another man to feed him.